Hi kids. You know, when you first get a car, it's got all these cool little dials and whistles and bells and lights and whatnot. One of the things that makes it feel really old really fast is when those little bells and whistles stop working. When your little lights go out and your radio quits working and all of that, it really starts to make the car feel like an old piece of junk. Something that's given me absolute fits are the lights that go in the cruise control switch. It's not important. I hardly ever turn it off. Obviously it's on and it's working, because when I hit cruise control, the cruise control starts working. But it just bugs me that those lights don't work. So I decided to try and fix that. I bought some bulbs. The ones I kept buying were wrong. And it's taken me forever to track down what the right bulb is. And of course you push it in and the green light comes on. And whether it's in or out, the cruise control logo actually lights up. So on the bottom of the switch, you've got two little bulb holder sockets, and these two little bulbs go in there. One of them's green and one of them's blue. And they're green and blue because they have a rubber that goes over them. They're actually clear, but they've got this little rubber balloon condom kind of thing that goes over the top of them. This, I believe, is the bulb that's going to save the day. This is the bulb I've been trying to figure out. This is how you make this work. So how do you get this switch out? Well, the easiest way I've found is to just reach up inside the dash, reach in behind it, and work it, and it'll pop loose. It's got a little tab on either side, and it'll pop out. It's kind of tight, especially if you got bigger hands. See there? Pop that one side out, and then pop the other side out, and it'll come right out. These little tabs are all you're doing. You're trying to squeeze that. It's a little hard for me to get my finger in on this one, but I can do it. And if I can do it, probably you can do it. Push this little tab, and the harness unhooks from the switch. Now, I'm going to replace this one because that's the one that's the cruise control logo. So this is what our new light bulb looks like. Tiny. All you got to do is take a screwdriver. I do it like that. Put the new one in. Good and tight. Now let's see if this works. Now to reinstall things, make sure your logo's the correct way. And plug it back in, right? And then just stuff it back in the hole. There you go, you're done. It's that easy. It's not a difficult job to do, except for finding the stupid bulb. And now, it'll do that. And it'll do that. And it'll do that. And it'll do that. So much more happy. I'm a happy boy. Sometimes it really is the little things, you know? You can do this. I promise. See you next week.